focus on Splitrix. Basically, Splitrix is a platform lab where it takes fund sharing to another step forward. Currently, we are focusing on onboarding the process of adding the bills via Web3 with adding friends through QR code. And best part is the trip planner. Splitrix is using the shared wallet features with delegated spending authority to perfectly plan your group transactions. Currently, the basic front end with some transactions on dev environment is done. Let's see it in action for better understanding. So this is the front end on the Splitrix where a quick create your build and all a quick um, go through platform via this front end has been created. Now you can see the total balance and the bill you owe and the bill that you have to be that should be get like the amount should be get to you and the dust pool. We'll look into the dust pool later. Like I will explain it. So you can see the current bills that you have to owe and all. You can also create a new bill where with the title and the description and total amount with onboarding your friends and creating a bill. So currently you can also add your friends via my QR code, like the QR codes. In case you wanted to add your one of your friend from through the QR code, you can basically do it from the QR code from the QR code itself. And, you can see your QR code on the QR code section. You can share your QR code so that your friend could basically list on here. And the groups, coming to the groups, like there are two different type of groups that we are looking at here. Like the expense group, like to share a particular bill on your on the platform itself. And the second is the fund group, where this gets interesting when we talk about in a scenario basis. Like let's say, for instance, let's say there are a group of friends who are planning to go on a trip. So they would basically set an amount for around $1,000 or something like that. Like you can also assign a manager, like for just a scenario basis, and the members you could basically add from your group and create a group. So this creates basic group where a voting will be done from the group among the group members to where the fund who like whom should the fund should be owned on that particular wallet. So this votes is completely decentralized domain where you can vote or unvote for a particular scenario. Like in this case, they wanted to approve Sarah as a fund handler. Like she becomes a fund admin for that entire account, so she could spend the expenses in it. And also here is a another part where Sarah could add uh, Sarah could add a extra fund handler like a temporary fund handler. Let's say in the scenario is and like before, like the group itself split maybe let's say one there are 10 members and the first 5 members went to for searching the car rentals and the next 5 members have gone to search for hotels or something. So in this particular scenario, one of the admin should go in either of the groups, right? So in the second group, the main admin could opt for a new admin where he could restrict their privileges to like on a transaction number basis or the amount basis itself. So this is the beauty of the entire Splitrix. Like this is the admin dashboard. He or she could manage the users and set a spending limit on each of the members and all, and the dashboard. And this is the part where we are thinking to implement it or not. So this is basically like let's say we have to split a non-friendly mathematical operation uh, like 10 I'll go between three friends. Okay, each gets a 3.333, so on I'll go, right? So let's say there are ABC three members and A paid the bill and BC has to give back the amount that A paid, right? So in this scenario, A should be A is paying 0.4 to settle the bill. Like uh, B and C will be sharing 0.3 and 0.3 and A shares 0.4 to make the mathematical operation simple. So, because the is sharing a 0.1 extra algo or any crypto, so we are thinking to make a dust pool where B and C also pays a 0.1 extra as stating that 0.4 and 0.4 and the total bills become 1.2. So this 0.2 will be added to a dust pot where they could basically invest in different investing platforms like lotteries of getting the dust pot or any funding opportunities for some of the good causes or like social enthusiastic projects or investing in some other places. Like this is completely under ideation stage, but we are thinking to make use of this particular dashboard in a very good environment, and the settings part where you could basically connect your wallet and disconnect your wallets and appearance and notification. So let's see the main part, the blockchain part where we have implemented. Currently, we have backend for three different methods where we could create a bill and also settle a payment and send a payment request to all the members. So this is the JSON for ARC56 JSON file where for time being I have already created the transactions for testing and so let's see the thing. On the LoRa, I have seen that the transaction has already been created in this particular app. So these are the API methods where create group, create build, and settle build has been done. And if you can see the historical transactions, I'm using completely three different wallet addresses here. So here Nanda is one of the main transaction, sorry, wallet address, and here is another wallet address. Let's see in action so that we will basically get better understanding. So let me toggle back to Nanda. This is the Nanda wallet, and these are the transactions that have been made from the timestamps. For time being, we have done it in beforehand, so we could basically understand. Here is the sorry. Let me go from top to bottom. Yeah. Here we can see that group has been created from Nagda, and also we have added this particular wallet in here. This is the app called for the group creation, and this is the create bill ABI method where I have created the bill from Nanda account to all the other two accounts. These are the wallet public addresses for these wallets. These three, where three algo and three algo has been requested for these two accounts for sorry these two addresses and in the last transactions where the payment is being uh, initiated from the this particular wallet where and then your wallet and settled to the number where three algos has been given. So this is the uh, backend process or like the three ABI methods that we have written. currently. So we are planning to also create the other methods like in the coming days, and also complete the entire workflow of the Splitrix. Thank you very much for joining Splitrix, and thank you for giving the opportunity.